Hello everyone, let's see how to count even numbers in an array using C. So first, the program counts how many even numbers are present in an array. A function named countEven is created. It takes an array and its size as input. It starts with a counter set to 0. Inside the function, a for loop goes through each element of the array. For each element, it checks if the array I is divided by 2 is equal to 0. If this condition is true, the number is even and the counter is incremented. After checking all elements, the function returns the total count of even numbers. In main, the program first asks the user for the size of the array n. Then it reads n integers from the user and stores them in the array. The array is passed to the countEven function, and the return count is stored in variable a. Finally, the program prints the total number of even values. In simple words, you enter some function number, the program checks each one, counts the even ones, and prints the total. Thank you.